Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to organize your Miro board using frames, sections, and folders in 2025. These tools help keep your work neat, structured, and easy to navigate when working on bigger projects. Step 1. Let's start with frames. On the left toolbar, click the Frame tool. Draw a frame around the content you want to group. Frames work like slides or pages, so you can quickly move between different parts of your board. Step 2. Rename your frame so you can identify it easily. Frames also make it simple to export content as separate pages in PDF or image format. Step 3. Next are sections. Sections are like visual dividers. Use them to split your board into different areas, such as brainstorming, planning, and design. Drag and resize sections to create clear spaces. Step 4. Finally, folders help you stay organized outside the board. From your Miro dashboard, you can create folders and move boards into them. This makes it easy to separate projects, clients, or teams. Step 5. Combine frames, sections, and folders for maximum organization. Frames keep ideas grouped, sections give structure, and folders keep everything sorted at the workspace level. And that's it. That's how you organize your Miro board with frames, sections, and folders in 2025. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.